Hi, my name is Gavin Ruane. I'm a student in CPE 133, Section 7. And this is my Lab 3 submission video. So in this lab, students were tasked with using their Basis 3 board, and it's very similar to the RCA project with the switches, and they were going to be adding things. But this time, instead of the output displaying on LEDs, it was now displayed on one of the 7-segment displays, which is actually really helpful and useful. And we outputted it in hex format. So we used the Basis board, and then I'll show you my test cases later, but these are some of my test cases that I used. And I'll also show you my truth table and any other relevant information that will help you understand this lab. So that's it, and stay tuned for my test cases and my testing. Thank you. All right, so let's get into the test cases. Before we actually go over the test cases, let's take a look at what these switches are and a few other things. So first, these first four switches right here belong to A. So this is like the first digit, as you can see in these additions. And this is the 0th most significant bit, the first most significant, second, and third. And it's the same concept over here, except these four switches are for B, which is the second digit in our addition problems. And then down here, I also included just a mapping of the hex letters to their base 10 numbers, just so it's easy for us to remember and to reference while we're doing the test cases. Okay, so then now let's actually do the test cases. So the first one is already set up here. We're doing 0 plus 0, and that equals 0. That's great. Now let's do 0 plus 1. That equals 1. Correct. Oh, I didn't mark it off. Perfect. Now let's do 1 plus 1. 2. Correct. 1 plus 2. 3. That is correct. 2 plus 2. 4. Correct. 2 plus 3. 5. Correct. 2 plus 4. 6. Correct. 3 plus 4. 7. Correct. 4 plus 4. 8. Correct. Let's do 5 plus 4. 9. Correct. 2 plus 8. 10 or A, as we can see down here. Correct. 5 plus 6. Hold on just a minute. Correct. 11 or B. 4 plus 8. Oh, not 4. C. 12. Correct. 5 plus 8. D. 13. Correct. 6 plus 8. E. 14. Correct. 7 plus 8. F. 15. That is correct. 8 plus 8. And as you can see, the display turns off. This is what we want, because if we have a value larger than 15, it will not show up on the display. And then let's just do one more for good measure, 15 plus 15. So we're just going to turn on all of the switches. And you're going to see again, obviously that would equal 30, and there's no number that's going to show up because we can only really go up to 15 with this lab. So those are the test cases. I passed all of them. I included all of these, some additional ones, just because I wanted to demonstrate how the display shows every single number as well as every single letter. So that's why I chose not just the basic 10, but also I believe this is about 17 test cases I didn't count. But I passed all the test cases and my project works. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.